Hi, this is Paul Carlson, CPA with Law Firm Velocity. In this video, we're looking at tracking revenue by lead source. That law firms need to understand exactly where their revenue is coming from so they can continue to develop and improve their sales and marketing processes. So on the screen, I have an example income statement that has revenue by lead source split out as separate accounts. This is not an optimal presentation because firms are going to get referrals from dozens of different people. And so that makes this income statement would be pages and pages long. We're going to shift over to a different report that's a little better template, but just want to point out why this is not the perfect place to start. But since we have this example, let's talk through some of the logic and what we're looking for here. So first, let's start with Referral Partners C. That we talked to this person quite a bit, and we put a lot of resources into this relationship, but we're getting a good chunk of revenue from the connection, from the referral partner every period. So it makes sense to continue to maintain and develop this relationship. Referral partner D. We talk with this referral partner quite a bit, putting a lot of resources into this connection, and we're getting no revenue from this. So at this point, we need to either allocate our resources into a different referral partner or go in and diagnose and understand exactly why are we not getting revenue from this relationship. And then my favorite is the mystery referral partners that we'll see firms, or even within my firm, we'll start to get referrals from people we don't know. And so at some point when you get enough revenue from that referral connection, that you need to shift resources into developing and maintaining that referral connection. So from this report, we can quickly understand which referral connections we need to continue to maintain. We get an idea of referral connections that need to be questioned, and we can see referral connections that we need to go establish formal connections with the person. We can also use this report to track revenue for paid campaigns or paid advertising. And once we know the revenue from a specific campaign, we can start to calculate cost of client acquisition, and we can start to calculate return on investment for those advertising campaigns. So this is tremendous information, can be a big help to develop firm sales and marketing. Here's the big problem. You can't run this report from most practice management systems. That in most systems, there is no process to go into a matter and say that this matter came from referral partner A and create this type of report. That the fields in the reporting just simply are not in the tool. And then the other issue we see is that a lot of practice management systems are separate from the accounting system. And in that case, the revenue numbers in the practice management system do not agree with the revenue numbers on the firm financial statements, which means a lot of these values are just simply incorrect. So we have made a lot of progress. We're starting to see several different new software tools that can actually do this. So let's jump over to a tool called Soluno. And so Soluno is case management, billing, and accounting in one application. So you log into Soluno, you enter time, you create bills, you post payments from clients, and you run your firm financial statements from Soluno. By having everything in one system, that we can, when we close the monthly financial statements, we are confirming that the revenue numbers are correct. So from Soluno, we run a report, and here we have payment by case referral summary. And so here we have revenue split out by our different lead sources. So we have $1,400 in revenue from existing clients. So we want to track that just to monitor how well we are staying in touch with existing clients and bringing them back for additional work. We have a direct outreach campaign, which is code for cold calling people to get work or directly contacting good matches and offering services. And here we have revenue that client B or referral partner B referred in a matter and we pulled in $350 of revenue from that matter. So from this simple report, we can see all of our revenue by lead source. Nice thing is this is not the income statement. So if this turns out to be where we're having 100 different lead sources on this report, that's fine. The income statement still looks okay. We can push this report to Excel if we want to rearrange the order or work on fine-tuning the reporting format. And another nice thing is if we wanted to see revenue by lead source for a specific practice area, so we want to know what lead sources are bringing in our family law clients. So we go into the gear, additional choices, practice area, family law, run, and the report updates, and it shows that we received $1,050 in family law legal fees, and that revenue came from direct outreach, which is a bit odd. This is just silly sample data. And with that, a quick run through of the importance of the revenue by lead source report and how we can finally get this information out of tools like Soluno. Thanks much. Bye-bye.